Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by heating and measuring because timing matters. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and position the rack in the middle. Next, measure the cookie mix into a bowl and add 1 egg plus 1/2 cup butter or oil. This adds fat for texture. Once done, stir briefly to break clumps because the mix responds best to a quick sift and initial whisk. You want an even base before adding liquids or extras. You now take control of texture. Pour liquids into the dry mix and stir gently for 20 to 30 strokes. Overmixing makes cookies tough. Fold in extras like chocolate chips or nuts and add 1 teaspoon vanilla for depth. This step builds flavor without altering structure. If the dough seems too stiff, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk, one at a time, until scoopable. Once the dough holds shape but is slightly soft, it's ready to portion and bake. You place rounded scoops on the prepared sheet, spacing them about 2 inches apart. Use 5 tablespoons for medium cookies. Bake 8 to 12 minutes until edges look set and centers are slightly soft. They'll firm as they cool. Once done, cool on the sheet for 5 minutes, then transfer to a rack to finish. If cookies spread too thin, reduce butter by 1 tablespoon next batch or chill dough 15 minutes before baking. That fixes excess spreading fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.